my work is dramatic and passionate in its execution. I suppose you could call this an expressionist style. However, I can work in other modes, just like writers work in other genres and styles and voices and approaches. The touch can be quick and violent and passionate, or gentle, considered, ordered and restrained. The intellectual framework of much of my work with landscape is to outline the borders of the country, so the coastline and the waves and the surf and the beaches are the physical edges of our nation, stretching 200 miles out to sea. We should really be a fishing nation based on the originating myth for this country of Maui and fishing the nation out of the sea, which accords somewhat with geography and geology as well. And our position in the Pacific is unique in that we're one of the largest nations, a country that has millions of people in it, and we are in this otherwise empty ocean, so that our destiny probably is to take command of the sea and the surf and the fish therein, and to have exercised a navy and fisheries to farm the Pacific.